And we're back with a marker bigger and better than ever. Alright, multiplication of decimals. Alright. First thing, we have 4 times 2.1. Alright. With multiplication, it doesn't matter which one comes on top. I always find it easier to write the number that has more digits than the other on the top. So I'm actually going to write 1.2 on the top. I'm going to multiply that by 4. Okay, and when we write it vertically, it's going to be a lot easier for us than if we try to do it horizontally like this. So if we write it vertically, it'll be much better. Alright, first off, 4 times 2 gives me 8. 4 times 1 gives me 4. Now, where does my decimal point go? That's a big question. It's a valid question. What we do for this is we actually count how many spots in our entire multiplication problem are after the decimal spot. And I only have one here that's after the decimal spot. One digit right here, 2. Okay, so now I move our decimal place over 1 and put it there. So because there was one spot after the decimal, I move one spot over. So this actually equals 4.8. Alright, let's try this one. Again, the number with more digits goes up top. Alright, 5.25 times 2. Alright, 2 times 5 is 10. Write the 0, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 0, carry the 1, and we drop it. Alright, now I look for how many spots after our decimal place in what we're multiplying together. And I have 1, 2. Alright, so that means I'm going to move this guy 1, 2 over. So our answer is 10.50. Alright, let's try this one. 6.11 times 3. Okay. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 6 gives me 18. I have 2 spots after the decimal, so I come back 2 spots. 2 spots. 2 spots. So our answer is 18.33. Now, I'm going to actually do another one here. And let's say we have 9.5 times 1.3. Okay? This one's a little bit more difficult. Again, I'm going to write it vertically. So 9.5 times 1.3. Okay? Now, we're going to go through our same multiplication as we always do. 3 times 5 gives me 5. Carry the 1. 3 times 9 is 27 plus 1 is 28. Now, if you don't know how to do this next step, go back and watch the multiplication of multiple digits numbers, or the multiple digits video, because that'll help you explain a little bit more in more depth than I'm doing here. So I need to add a 0, and now 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 9 is 9. Add these up. 5. 8 plus 5 gives me 13. 1 plus 2 gives me 3, plus 9 gives me 12. Okay, now I look back up to my original problem. How many spots after decimal points did I have? And, okay, there's 1, and there's 1. So together there were 2. So over here we're going to move 2. So our answer is 12.35. All right. So because I moved 2 up here, it didn't matter which number they were in. We add them all up. So we had 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. Hope that helps you.